Hey everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. I'm here with Nikki in our new showroom. Nikki, I heard we have some deals going on machines right now. Can you tell me a little bit about each one of those and how much you can save right now?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've offered deals on the 800 FL, which is about $1,100 off. So the open loop system is $48.99. We've discounted the 800 base down to $34.99. The Weekend Warrior is going to be discounted to $22.99, and the VH800 open loop is at $15.49. All of these prices are really good. They're a nice drop in price that's going to help compensate for shipping in some cases. These are open loop prices, so you would have to add a closed loop system for $650, but don't miss out because I'm not sure how long these prices are going to last. They haven't given us an expiration date.
Give us a call today. Again, we're not sure how long these deals are going to last. You can save up to $1,100. That's a significant amount of savings. 828-202-5563.